This was made for an adult. This is a Mowett Mustang. I think they're made in Missouri. I had a mower deck on it before, and it doesn't have a clutch. You just press this down and it goes forward. So your mower actually runs all the time. So we'll get this thing tore down and I'll go into detail about the transmission and how everything kind of works and go from there. Interesting. Nice. Look at that model turning steering wheel. She is real nice. You know, I might keep this thing on there. I don't know. Can you do it by hand yet? You should be able to pull that out. I got the nut off the back. Pull it out. Okay, go put those over there in the pile.
Which pile?
Over there. Okay, good job. Off. Okay.
2 tires.
So what do you think, bud?
Great.
Well, we got sheet metal and stuff off. Now we got to get your trans off and your engine off.
Okay.
At the bottom of it, here's our engine and our transmission. So we'll get our engine popped off, our transmission popped off, and our gate, basically clutch here, popped off, and sideboards, and yeah. Hold it.
Mm-hmm.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me. Alright, you gotta hold it better than that, son. Push her toward Dad. Whoa, come on, little engine. It'll get lighter here in a minute. It'll get lighter.
Actually, working man is also what I'm.
Okay. Okay, hold it there. Hold it there. There.
Some country boys do this.
Okay. Dude.
Yeah, that's what it came out.
She's stripped down to the frame now, Jack.
Yeah.
See here, the whole steering mechanism here is all kind of one little assembly that bolts onto the frame. It's kind of wore out, but I'm not gonna go too far into this. My boy's probably gonna plate this thing for a couple of years and then it'll go to somebody else, but do need to get some bushings in here, get this tightened up. We gotta put new hardware because all these bolts, they just snap. So sweet. Stop, buddy. As you can see here in the picture, that's the mower disassembled. I'm going to get it cleaned up and then end up getting it sandblasted, and we'll paint it International Harvester Red. That's the color my boy wants it, and that's what he'll get. We'll end up putting rubber tires on the back and rototiller tires, and then we're actually going to buy a go-kart adapter to be able to add brakes, because it doesn't stop. He's hit things with it, I have, and the hood shows the bruises from that. So we'll do a little paint job on it. It won't be perfect, but it'll be a lot nicer, because we know how kids are. They like to run into things, and on the next video, hopefully you'll see us start to assemble it. So appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you on the next one.